Alright, Monday, another week. Today's the last day of the Mets COVID vacation. So, what to drink, what to try. I have many sodas to try. Patience to everyone who sent me something. I will get to them all. Just think, every day I'm going to be doing I'm going to do a taste test, a raw dog, or a Tank's Cooks. So, these sodas will be in there. These buys that I got, these water sodas, water things I'll try. I'll try anything you send me, no matter how bad it is. As you can see by the pickle soda last week. But this, I think I have some high hopes for. I love orange soda. And Faygo is a popular brand. I tried Faygo last week. It's a Detroit brand. It's been around for 100 years. Over 100 years. 113 years to be precise. Since 1907. The Ferguson brothers. And it's got like a cult following. Some people call it like a ghetto soda because it's sold in a lot of like dollar stores and such. I haven't been to a... Well, I've been to Dollar General, but I haven't really been to Dollar Tree. Maybe if I go to Dollar Tree, I'll see some more brands of Faygo, apparently. But it's based out of Detroit. Genuine orange soda. An orange... If you can make a good orange soda, you're probably a good soda brand, no matter how cheap you're perceived. And, of course, the Insane Clown Posse, I found out, like, throwing Faygo at their fans and beating themselves over the heads with Faygo. I just don't get that, but I get soda, and I'm going to give you my score on what Faygo orange soda tastes like. Burn, 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 boom, 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 burn, 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 It's not too bad. I'm gonna give this an 8.3.